Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we will guide you on how to view only photos in your saved items on Facebook using your PC. By following these simple steps, you can easily find and access all the photos you have saved. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Launch the Facebook application or visit the Facebook website on your PC. Step 2. From the left-hand side, click on Saved. This will take you to your Saved Items page. Step 3. Click on Saved Items to open your Saved Items list. Step 4. In the top right corner, click on the filter icon. This will open the filter options. Step 5. Select Photos from the available filter options. That's it! By following these steps, you can now view only the photos in your saved items on Facebook. This feature allows you to easily find and access the photos you have saved, making your Facebook browsing experience more enjoyable. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Stay tuned for more Facebook tutorials and PC tips.